What is the difference between SFM and RPM? How to convert between them? Stay tuned and find out. Hello everybody, Erez here from the Machining Doctor website, and my task is to make your professional life easier. So without further ado, let's jump right into the matter.
These are the topics we will cover in this video. What is RPM? What is SFM? And converting from SFM to RPM. Stay tuned until the end, where I will share how to do it easily with our online calculator. Let's start with the definition of RPM. RPM stands for revolutions per minute. On a lathe, it would be the speed at which the workpiece is rotating. On a milling machine, it is the speed at which the cutting tool rotates. In G-code, it is represented with S, for example, G00X0Y0 S1000 would set the spindle speed to 1000. In technical document and formulas, it is denoted by N. Next, we will find out what is SFM. SFM stands for surface feet per minute. It is the common unit to measure cutting speed in the United States, but is rarely used outside of the US. The speed is measured in feet per minute, instead of meters per minute, which is the standard unit used in most countries. The cutting speed is defined as the relative linear velocity between the cutting edge tip and the workpiece. It is utilized in different ways, depending on the application. In a milling operation, the workpiece is stationary, and the spindle rotates the milling cutter. The spindle's rotational speed, measured in RPM, transforms into cutting speed at the diameter in which the milling cutter touches the workpiece. In a turning operation, the spindle rotates the workpiece, and the cutting tool is stationary. The spindle's rotational speed transforms into cutting speed at the diameter in which the turning insert touches the rotating raw material. This is a simplified explanation of cutting speed, but there are more nuances and use cases to consider. I will include a link in the video description to a resource that provides more in-depth explanations. So, why is it important to convert SFM to RPM? The cutting tools catalogs, or our experience, tell us the SFM we need to use for a given application. On the other hand, the CNC machine is programmed with the spindle speed. Therefore, it is common that we need to compute the RPM from a given SFM either for programming or to ensure that the SFM we want to run at is within the machine's limit. The conversion formula is RPM equals 12 times the SFM divided by pi times the diameter. As mentioned above, in milling the diameter is the cutter diameter, and in turning, it is the workpiece diameter. You can use conversion charts, or head over to the Machining Doctor's online calculator, which will make the conversion dynamically. I will leave a link to the calculator in the description below.
So that's it for today. I hope you found the video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. See you on the next one. Bye.